Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about theorem 1.4, that is we have to prove that under root 2 is an irrational number. For that, what we do, we take under root, let under root 2 is rational. And students, if under root 2 is a rational number, we are just taking it rational, and if it is a rational number, then it can be written as, so it can be written as under root 2 equal to a upon b, where a and b are integers and b not equal to 0. Students, if we are considering that under root 2 is a rational number, then we can write under root 2 equal to a upon b, and a and b should be integers and b should not be equal to 0, and a and b are a and b are co-prime also. Student, co-prime means they have a common factor that is only 1. If we have two numbers 2 and 3, so 2 equal to 2 into 1 and 3 equal to 3 into 1. So among 2 and 3, between 2 and 3, we have a common number that is only 1. So if two numbers are co-prime, then they have a common factor that is only 1. So a and b are co-prime also. Now on cross multiplication, we have under root 2b equal to a. On cross multiplication, under root 2b equal to a. Now squaring both sides, we have under root 2 b square equal to a square, and here we have 2b square equal to a square. It means a square is divisible by 2, because we have a square equal to 2b square. So here a square is divisible by 2. So a square is divisible by 2. If a square is divisible by 2, then a must be divisible by 2, because if the square of any number is divisible by 2, then that number should also be divisible by 2. Therefore, a is also divisible by 2. Now students, if a is divisible by 2, then I can take a equal to 2c. Let a equal to 2c, and I put this value a equal to 2c in equation 1. In this equation, I put a equal to 2c. From equation 1, we have 2b square equal to 2c square. Now 2b square equal to 4c square, and b square equal to 2 to the 4, 2c square. Now students, we see that the square of b is 2c square, and this 2c square is divisible by 2. It means b square is divisible by 2. So b square is divisible by 2. B square is divisible by 2. Therefore, B is also divisible B is also divisible by 2. Here we see that A is divisible by 2, B is also divisible by 2. It means A and B have a common factor, that is 2. So A and B have a common factor 2. This is a contradiction. This is a contradiction because on one hand we are saying that A and B have only one common factor, that is 1, and on the other hand we are saying that they have a common factor 2. This is a contradiction. This is a contradiction. This is a contradiction because of our wrong assumption that under root 2 is rational. This is a contradiction because of our wrong assumption that under root 2 is rational. We have taken under root 2 a rational number, and we have also taken that A and B are co-prime, but here we are seeing that A and B have a common factor 2. So this is a contradiction. We had assumed that under root 2 rational. This is wrong. This is a contradiction because of our wrong assumption that under root 2 is rational. So hence under root 2 is an irrational number. This is now proved that under root 2 is an irrational number. So student, in the same manner we will also discuss about under root 3, under root 5, under root 7. We can also prove those number also, that under root 3, under root 5 and under root 7, they are also irrationals. So student, if you have any doubt, you could ask me anything in the comment section. Thank you.